Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I'll be adding the background for the toucan bird drawing. So let's get started. And if you're new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And if you have any requests, questions, comments, let me know in the comments below, or you can connect with me through other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All that information is in the description box below for you. So this is a very easy method of adding the background, just a blurry color palette at the background, just to show that there's more going on and it's not just white, and just to make it look like that the bird is in a jungle or something. So let's get to it. This is a very quick part video. So I have the other parts as well for this drawing, the whole bird drawing and the branches, the leaves and the background now fully done. So I hope you enjoy this drawing, and I'll show you how it all looks at the end of this video. So now I will add the same kind of background to all of the white areas. So this is how it looks. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below to buy products. I have a lot for you to choose from there. You can buy bedding materials as well as clothing and stationery like books and backpacks and things like that as well. So check it out, and don't forget to check out these next videos as well. So I'm going to create this playlist for you to follow the whole bird drawing at once. So it's in parts, so I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and you can always request something for me to draw or to do, because I also do DIY projects, by commenting below. So then I'll see you next time. Bye.